Hi, everyone. Welcome back to another week of phonics. And our focus for this week is the jump rope card with G-E, G-I, and G-Y. So again, let me bring it back to you. It is the soft G. Last week we did the soft C. Now we're looking at the soft G. And it's in combination with the vowel E, I, and Y. So we're looking at the G-E saying J, G-I saying J, and G-Y saying J. What's it saying? J. What's it saying? J. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and do sound by sound. Remember, when we start the week, we do sound by sound. Teachers, ready?
Yes.
Here we go. Ready? Line one. A, J.
A,
A,
J, K,
R,
A, J, rage,
A,
J,
J.
sage,
Reread for fluidity. 3, 2, 1.
A, K, rage,
and sage. And teachers, when you're ready, thumb to your chest lets me know that you have found a pattern or something that you would like to share. Miss T, what did you notice?
I see the age sound spelled A-G-E.
Very nice. So you notice that there's age in all of the words, spelled A-G-E. Anything else that you may have noticed? Yes, Miss Hernandez.
I noticed that these are one-syllable words.
Yes, these are all one-syllable words. Good job. Anything else? Oh, yes, Misty.
They're all A blank E, long A words.
Yes, long A blank E. Let's jump to line 2. Ready? Sound by sound. Sound.
J,
Sound.
I,
Sound. Sound. Blend it.
J,
Sound.
J,
Sound.
I,
Sound.
B,
Jibe.
J,
Jibe. Ready? Here we go. 2-syllable. Be careful. Sound.
M,
Sound.
R,
Blend that.
Mar,
Sound.
J,
Sound.
I,
Sound.
N,
Blend that.
in,
Whole word.
margin,
Good job. Here we go. Sound.
J.
Sound.
I,
Sound.
N,
Blend.
J,
Sound.
J,
Sound. Blend that.
Ger,
Whole word.
Ger,
We read for fluidity. 3, 2, 1. Jip.
Just,
Jibe.
margin, ginger.
Just jibe, margin, and ginger. What did you notice in that set? Yes, Miss Yakimowicz.
I noticed that all of the words have GI, which makes the J sound, or J or J. It could be J.
Yeah, you're right. And all we noticed here is that the spelling is the same, but the pronunciation of that I could have been short or long. Let's jump over to the next line. Ready? 3, and remember, you already see the Y, so that's going to force that G to say J. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Sound.
J,
Sound.
I,
Sound.
M,
Blend. Jam.
Jim,
Sound. J. Sound.
I,
Sound. Blended.
Jip,
Sound. Sound.
E,
Yes. Blend that. C. Whole word.
gypsy,
C. Very nice. Sound. 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 Blend that.
cler,
Sound.
J,
Sound.
E,
Blend that. G. Whole word.
clergy,
G. Very nice. Last word. Sound.
D,
Sound.
I,
Sound.
N,
Blend it.
N,
Sound.
J,
Sound.
E,
Blend that. G. Whole word.
Gingy,
We read for fluidity. 3, 2, 1.
Jim,
Jim,
gypsy, clergy,
And dingy. All right, teachers, when you're ready, thumb to your chest. What is something you noticed? Ms. Hernandez, what did you notice?
I noticed that in the word clergy, it has a spelled E-R.
Okay, clergy has ER in it. Anything else that you may have noticed? Ms. T, what did you notice?
I noticed the soft G sound spelled with G-Y.
The soft G sound spelled with G-Y, and being mindful again that the Y can have a different sound here. It has it here, and it has the long E here. Anything else that you may have noticed? Yes, Ms. Hernandez.
I noticed that the Y at the end has the E sound for gypsy,
Very
flirt,
good.
and dingy.
So you'll notice that at the end, that Y is behaving as a long E, which is a rule we covered, remember, from a couple weeks back. So good reminder to all. Let's go ahead and now jump over to that sentence. Remember, we're being those word detectives, trying our best to figure out the G-Y, G-E, or G-I spelling. So let's look. Look at that sentence. Boys and girls, you can hit pause to figure out how many words you notice that have the G-E, G-I, G-Y. Spelling. Teachers, when you're ready, you can go ahead and show me with your fingers. All right. Ms. Yakimowicz, can you start us off? What word did you notice?
Gypsy.
Gypsy, you're correct. Ms. Hernandez?
Ginger.
Ginger, thank you. Any more? Nope. All right, let's go ahead and reread that. Remember, we're trying to model for our students. What's this word, teachers?
Gypsy.
Gypsy. And this word?
Ginger.
Ginger. Okay, let's reread the whole sentence. Everything should be doable. Students, go ahead and follow through. 3, 2, 1.
The
gypsy
had
Ginger
Ginger
with
his
dinner.
dinner. Oh, beautiful. Miss Yakimowicz, can you reread that for fluidity?
the gypsy had ginger with his dinner.
And Miss T, can you scoop that out for us?
The gypsy had ginger with his dinner.
Very nice. And Miss Hernandez, what time is it?
Well, it's going to be decoding time.
Coding time. Yes, please make sure you pull out those markers, whiteboards, pen, pencils, paper, whatever you may need. If you have a tablet, go ahead and hit that Seesaw app, hit the plus, hit and start writing along with us. Remember, boys and girls, if you don't need the scaffolds, don't use them. If you feel confident enough, you can go ahead and do without them. But if you do need them, by all means, use them. Hit that pause button, record the scaffolds that you may need, and teachers, when you're ready, thumb to your chest, lets me know you're good. All right, here we go. We're gonna get started. Notice the patterns that we have, long A's. Here we go. Every time you hear the J, it's going to be spelled how? G-E, okay? It's combined with either a G-E or a G-I or a G-Y. The word is age. What's the word? Age. 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 Show me. Excellent. Moving on. Wage. What's the word?
Wage.
Age. Age. Teacher, show me. Excellent. Moving on. The word is sage. What's the word? Sage. Age. Age. Show me. Wonderful. Keep it up. The next word is cage. What's the word? Cage. Age. Age. Cage. Show me, teachers. Excellent. Next word. The word is page. What's the word? Page. Age. Age. Show me your page. Wonderful. Thank you. Next word is stage. What's the word? Stage. Age. Age. Show me, teachers. Excellent. Excellent. All right. Jumping onto this side. The word is gym. What's the word? Gym. Teacher, show me. Gym. Excellent. Let's move on. The next word is, ooh, what did I write as the next word? I think I did. Yeah. The word is giant. What is it? Giant. Giant. Ant. Giant. Giant. Show me. Beautiful. And I didn't write the I because it says its name. So you got it. All right. Next one. Tricky word, but I did most of the helping for you. Giraffe. What's the word? Giraffe. Jur. Af. Af. Show me. Wow. Did you guys know that you can spell giraffe now? Wow. Let's jump to our sentence. Remember, boys and girls, you can hit that pause button again if you need the scaffold. Teachers, when you're ready, let me know. And again, if you just want to follow along with us, you can go ahead and write as I say or dictate back. This is the start of a name, okay? So remember, capital letters. The word is Ginny. What's the word? Ginny. J-I, Jin, E, ni. J-I, Ginny. And teachers, can we check in? Can you show that word? Yes, thank you, thank you. Moving on. Ginny had a spongy. What's the word? Spongy. Spawn. And I'm doing that on purpose because this is a schwa and it should be okay, but we're gonna do O on that. Sponge and then J-E-G. On purpose, I'm giving you J-E. Spongy. Show me. Oh wait, don't show me. Don't show me. Sorry. That's at the end. Cake. Ache. Ache. Ginny had a spongy cake after the word is gym. J-I-M. J-I-M. And the last word here is class. K-O-A-S. Class. So Ginny had a spongy cake after gym class. I don't know why, but she did. Go ahead and show me.
I would too.
Great job, you guys. Double pat on the back. Job well done. Remember, boys and girls, it is the first time you see it. So if you had a hard time, don't worry about it. We'll be practicing on for the rest of the week. All right, boys and girls, have a good day. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.